All right, so this set is also a very simple set. I mean, so it's also a very simple question. So we've been given the 4 sets here, and we've been asked to find these operations or these sets. So to find A intersection B, we just look at the common elements between A and B. So what elements are common between A and B? So in A, we have 3. Do we have 3 in B? We don't have. In A, we have 5. Do we have 5 in B? We don't have. In A, we have 7. Do we have 7 in B? Yes. So 7 is common. And then 9, do we have 9 there? 9 is common. And then 11, do we have 11? Yes, 11 is also common. So the next thing is just to write the set there. So we have 7, 9, and 11. So these 2 sets are what? Are common. Rather, these numbers are the ones that are common. So this is the solution. So from there, we can also find what? I think these sets are simple. So let me also quickly move on. So B intersection C is simply just looking at the common elements between B and C. So the common elements between B and C, we have 11 and 13. So we have 11 and 13. Yeah, so you can check it in case you want to confirm. So 11 is there, we also have 11 there. 13 is there, we also have 13 there. So this is the solution to B intersection C. From there, we move on to A intersection C intersection D. So what this means is that you're looking for what is common in A, C, and in A, C, and B. So we look at what is common in these 3 sets. So what do we have in A? We also have it in B, we also have it in D, rather, it's supposed to be D here. So we want something that is common. It's present in A, it's also present in C, it's also present in D. Do we have anything that is common? We don't have, right? So this is an empty set, which can also be written as that. So A intersection C. So A intersection C is also an empty set because we don't have anything common between A and what? A and C. So A intersection C is also what? An empty set because we don't have anything common between A and, oh, sorry. I was looking at D. So A intersection C, there's something common there. We have A, so the common things in A and C, we have 11. 11 is common there. We have 11 in A and it's also in C. So since you only have one element, then we call that as a singleton set. So any set that consists of one element is called a singleton set. So we move on to okay. So we move on to the next question. So these questions, I guess they are simple. Can we solve another question or we'll proceed to the next one?
No, we can solve is it the 6th one? The last, the 8th and 9th one.
Okay, so we solve 6, 8, and 9. All right.
No,
So
8 and 9 only.
8 and 9 only. Okay. So 8 and 9. So for 8, we have A intersection, then B union D. So we first have to start with what is in the brackets. We first find what? B union D. So B union D means that we have to add set B and D together. So set B has been given to be what? 7, 9, 11, and 13. and then set D is given to be 15, 17. So we we add the two sets B and D. So adding the two sets B and D, we have 7, we have 9, we have 11, we have 13, and we have 15 and 17. So we're just combining these two sets, making sure that we leave out those that are common. Rather, we only write those that are common ones. And then from there, we also have to include A. So we have A there. So our A is given to be 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. So now we've been told to find the common elements between A and B union D. So we're trying to find the common elements between this set and that set. So our A intersection B union D is therefore going to be equal to, so what is common? We have 9 there, we have 7 there, 7, 9, 11. So we have 7, 9, 11. So we write the common elements there. We have 7, we have 9, and we have 11. So you said we also solve 9, question 9, right? So question 9 is also simple. We have A intersection B, then we have intersection B union C. So for this question, we also first have to find A intersection B. So, and then we also have to find B union C. So after finding these two sets, then we have to find the common elements between the two sets. So A intersection B and B union C. So A intersection B is simply just the common elements between A and B. So we look at what is common in A and B. So we know that A is equal to what? A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. And then B is given to be what? 7, 9, 11, 13. Then C is given to be, we need it also there. So let me just write it in advance. So C is given to be 11, 13, and 15. So we first have to find the common elements between A and B. So the common elements between A and B, we have 7, 9, and 11. So I have 7, 9, 11. And then the common element, the addition, since it's union, meaning we add the two sets B and C. So we combine B and C. So combining B and C will give us what? 7, 9, 11, 13, and 15. So between, we have to find the common elements since we are dealing with intersection there. The common elements between this set and that set, meaning common element between this and that. So these elements are simply just 7, 9, and 11. So the final solution there becomes 7, 9, and 11. Okay, so thank you for watching this tutorial video. Let's move on to the next question. So the link will end very soon. You can join using the same link so that we also do some more questions.